How to change a 2022 Dodge Challenger 4-button key fob battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
Alright, let's go ahead and change the battery out here on our 4-button Dodge Challenger remote. With that being said, for this task you'll need a flat tip screwdriver, and if you got any keyring or any lanyard attached right here, you will need to remove that. With that being said, let's get started. Go ahead and flip your remote over. You've got emergency key release right here. If you got a fingernail, use that. Pull back, pull emergency blade, set that to the side. Now look down in the remote housing. Emergency blade came out here. You got this indentation. This is where we're going to take your flat tip with the firm grip. Hold the remote and do not pry. Rotate the flat tip. If you want to pop the housing, you notice it opened up. Stop right there, put it down, and then pull the back off. The reason I say that is your circuit board right here. That being said, we'll continue on. You've got your battery. So your hold down, come 180 across, use a flat tip, and pop it under there, and it'll come out. And you notice it's a CR2032 battery. This is a new remote, so I'm gonna put this battery back in. Reverse the process, set it in, push against the spring, it holds. Take 2 halves, squeeze them together. There you go, you've done it. Hey, thanks again for watching, and let's be safe out there.